it's about the comparisons. That means either I'll give the two numbers and which one is greater or smaller or equals. Okay, here arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means first number we will start from big to small. Okay, first of all, here I'll give four numbers. You can check it. Which number is biggest and after and what is the smallest number. Okay, here four numbers. What is the four number? First four numbers. 2 crores 12 lakhs 35,234. 2 crore 12 lakh 35,234. And next one 2 crore 10 lakh 35,235. 2 crore 10 lakh 35,235. The next one 2 crore 12 lakh 34,123. Next one 2 crore 12 lakhs 24,567. In these four numbers we can arrange in the form of ascending order. That means big number to small. First of all, here we can check any number. We will start from the thousands place or thousand, lakh or crore in this side. You don't check it start from ones place or tens place. Okay. Here, all these four numbers in crores place, we have 2 only. Okay. All these numbers are start from 2. Okay. Next 2 crores. Crores will be equal. So at that time we can check the lakhs place. Here 12 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh and 12 lakh. So we can identify one thing, 10 lakh. This is the smallest number. Okay. Just in next counting we will be leave it in this number. Okay. In lakhs, in the lakhs place we can find out that which is the smallest as compared to the three numbers. Okay. Here crores are equal, lakhs are also equal. Okay. The first number we will have 35,000, 34,000 and 24,000. Here 35,000 is biggest. So we can write the first number 2 crore 12 lakh 35,234. In this number after comes, this is, we are already found out this is the smallest number. So in these two numbers we can check the thousands place. Why? Because we are already checking the crores and lakhs place. Okay, here 34,000 and 24,000. 34,000 is more than the 24,000. So that's why we can write after the second number is 2,12,000. Sorry, 2 crore 12 lakhs 34,123. Okay, this is the second biggest number. And now we can write the third biggest number. It is also very easy to find. We are already find out the smallest number and we can write already two numbers. We have only one number as given. Living in these numbers. Okay. Next one. 2 crore 12 lakh 24,567. And last and final one. What is the smallest number? 2 crore 10 lakhs 35,235. This is the formation of the ascending order in given numbers. Okay. As the same way, the second one. First of all, we will check the lakhs place, thousands place, and crores, lakhs, and thousands. Okay. After that, we will come. All these numbers are same. For example, I will do sum. 1 2 crore 57 lakhs 28,111. Here I will give one number. At the same time, Here I'll give the number 2 crore 57,000 28,100 2 crore 57 lakhs 28,100 2 crore 57 lakhs 28,999 is here. In these three numbers we have check it once. All the crore, lakh and thousands place are same in these three numbers also. At that time, after we will come to the checking hundreds place. So this is the biggest number. Next biggest, both are same. Next we can check the tens place. That means here 1, here 0. So this is the second biggest. And last and final one, this is the smallest number in these three. Okay. At the same time, we can write the second one. 16 crores 67 lakhs 45,123. All in these number, in this second one have only one number will be starts from thousands. What is this number? 15,000. So this is the smallest number in this order. Okay. Remaining three are start from 16,000. Sorry, 16 crores. 16 crores. Next, we will check the lakhs place. Here 67, 65, 63. You can observe one thing. In this order is also a proper order. Here given order is a proper. Okay. As usual, we can write the same number. 16 crores 67 lakhs 45,123. As usual, next one. 16 crores 65,000 34,235. 16 crores 63 lakh 45,345. 15,000. Sorry, 1 lakh 52,356. Okay, this one you will note it on your homeworks. And one more thing, all these Romans we can write in your CWs neatly. Okay, in here